Hi, everyone! I'm Leo the lion. Welcome to my jungle.
Hello, friends. I'm Leo the lion. Today, we're going to learn colors. Are you ready? Wow, look at this. This apple is red. Can you say red? Great job, red.
The sun is so bright. It is yellow. Can you say yellow? Yay! Jello!
Look over here. This is blue. Say it with me. Blue. Leo. Awesome. Blue.
The grass is green. Say green. Perfect green.
Let's play a game. What color is the apple? Red. What color is the balloon? Blue. What color is the sun?
Yellow.
Red, blue, yellow, green. Colors are fun, colors are seen. Learn with Leo every day.